Hello, my name is Diana, the Dummy Cook, and today we're going to do a very simple recipe, steamed rice. Just that, yes. You might be cooking your own chicken, maybe you're doing a steak and you go, I wish I had rice with this. So let's use it as a rice cooker, right? In this case, I'm going to look for a recipe here in my week, and the recipe is waiting because I already chose it in my app. But you know what? I don't want a lot of rice. So let me see the scaling. Let me see how many portions do we have here. Okay, the default is for 6 portions. I only want 4. So let's just click here, and what it's going to do, apply, is going to adjust the ingredients, the amount that I need, so I can continue and just get it for 4. All right, so let's keep doing it. Start cooking. And we need 32 ounces of water. So let's go for it. Obviously, the ingredients are the same that you will use for steaming rice. Now we need a little bit of salt, and it's optional. I'll just do it. And I'm not even gonna use a TSP. I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt, and that's it. And then we have half an ounce of olive oil. Okay, so we have here olive oil coming up.
Yep.
Half an ounce. Okay, there we go. That is water with oil and salt. Then we go to the next one, and it wants the simmering basket. So let's put it in here. And as we put it, let me open it, because I know that the next step is to add the rice. Duh. So 8.5 ounces. If I had done the big one, I think it was more like 12 ounces. Anyway, let's do 8.5. And always follow the type of rice that is asking. If he wants long grain, like the jasmine, use that one. If he wants the round one, like the arborio, then use that one. Okay, don't mix them because the recipe knows what it wants. So, 8.5 ounces, perfection. All right, and then we're going to remove it and we're going to rinse it, like you always would with rice, right? Okay, so we're back. We're now placing it back here and cover it. And we go 20 minutes, temperature 212 Fahrenheit and speed 4. So the blades are going to be moving the water with the salt and the oil. And as it's moving the water is gonna start boiling and going through the rice to steam it to perfection. But now I don't need to be here, so see you in 20 minutes. Okay, we're almost done. If we were making a risotto, it would have been in the bowl. Also, if we were using the rice cooker mode straight up, then it would also be in the bowl. But this time what I chose was steamed rice, and that's what we're doing. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! We have steamed rice, and in the meantime, I was making something else, or maybe not, maybe I was taking a phone call, I don't know. Okay, so let's go to the next step, and it says, eat it! You see all the steam? I don't know if you can see it because of the background, but I can see it, all the steam is there. And now, obviously, this is too hot to handle, so we're gonna use the hook. We are gonna put it here through this little hole that we have in the simmering basket, and we're going to lift it. Ta-da! You see? I like this trick. And now we're going to put it into this plate. All right, 1, 2, 3, and here we go. Well, the dummy cook had to come at some point, right? Okay, that usually works, but I was not counting on that much rice. I scaled it to only 4 people, and it's still huge. So this actually works perfect for my videos. You know me already, the dummy cook always at work. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you need a Thermomix in your life, please email me right here, or just use my purchase link. It's in the comments. It will give you free shipping, and after, connect with me and I'll give you all the tips, advice, and I'll answer any questions you may have. Now I'm gonna clean this mess, and I'm going to have the best side white rice dish. Thank you, bye-bye. And if you need a Thermomix in your life, hold on, I'm still laughing about this. Side white rice. And I'm going to have the best, come on! Look at what I made. I was not counting that it was gonna be too big. So anyway, now we have some bloopers for the end.